Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how to build a $10,000 per month dividend income portfolio, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, the main goal is to understand the income target clearly. If you want $10,000 every month from dividends, that means your portfolio must generate $120,000 per year. So, before choosing stocks or funds, you need to convert the monthly goal into a yearly cash flow target. Next, you need to estimate how large the portfolio should be. The basic formula is simple. Required portfolio size equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. For example, at a 3% dividend yield, you may need around $4 million. At a 4% yield, you may need around $3 million. At a 5% yield, the amount becomes around $2.4 million, and at a 6% yield, it becomes around $2 million. However, higher yield usually comes with higher risk, so chasing the biggest yield is not always the safest plan. After that, you need to choose a dividend strategy. A dividend growth strategy focuses on strong companies that may pay lower income today but can increase dividends over time. A high-yield strategy can provide more income now, but it needs careful risk checking. Dividend ETFs and funds are easier to manage because they give diversification in one investment. A mixed strategy can balance income, growth, and stability. Then, building a diversified portfolio becomes very important. A sample portfolio may include dividend ETFs, blue-chip dividend stocks, REITs, utilities, infrastructure, preferred shares, bonds, and a small cash buffer. This helps reduce the risk of depending too much on one company, one sector, or one type of asset. For example, a $3 million portfolio with around 4% average yield may generate close to $110,000 per year. This is near the target, but still slightly below $120,000. To close this gap, an investor may need to add more capital, carefully improve the average yield, or reinvest dividends for a longer period before depending on the income. Moreover, reinvesting dividends during the building phase can make the portfolio grow faster over time. Instead of spending the dividends immediately, reinvestment buys more shares, which can create more future dividend income. At the same time, adding new money regularly can speed up the journey toward the target. However, dividend safety must always come first. You should check the payout ratio, review company cash flow and earnings, avoid yield traps, diversify across sectors, keep an emergency cash reserve, and rebalance the portfolio once or twice a year. These rules help protect the income stream during weak market conditions. Finally, the roadmap is simple but requires patience. Start investing consistently, reinvest all dividends, grow the capital and income stream, slowly move toward income-focused investing, and then target $10,000 per month in dividends. In most cases, reaching this level may require roughly $2 million to $4 million, depending on yield, risk level, and portfolio quality. So, the key lesson is that a $10,000 per month dividend portfolio is possible, but it requires a large capital base, smart diversification, dividend safety, reinvestment, and long-term discipline. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.